dishes. This is my kitchen and today we are preparing a fantastic meal, Thai red curry. This is a really healthy and wholesome meal because it is loaded with a lot of veggies. As you can see, I've cut a lot of veggies. So for the curry part, we need coconut milk. So I've taken one thing. You need 300 ml of coconut milk. Then you need some soya sauce, a little bit of tomato sauce and red Thai curry. So I've taken the pre-made Thai paste. You can make it at home. Then I'll need a lot of veggies like green beans, carrots, mushrooms, yellow pepper, broccoli and zucchini. And to top it off, I have this firm tofu. You need it with a little of ginger and garlic paste. So let's get started. Hi, so let's first get started with the curry part. Here I'm taking a big frying pan and I'm putting almost 300 ml of coconut milk. Make sure you take a good quality coconut milk because all the flavor would be good if it is a good quality. You have to make sure that your gas is medium. In this we are going to put the red curry paste. So I am taking almost 2 tablespoons of red curry paste. And mixing it thoroughly with the whisk. You have to let it boil. So keep the flame high so that it boils. See, as you can see that there are a lot of bubbles and the curry is getting thicker. At this time, since we have taken 2 tablespoons of red curry paste, so we are going to put a little sugar in this, say about half a tablespoon. And I'm going to put a little tomato paste to give it a little tangy flavor. This is almost half a tablespoon. And again I'm going to mix it. In this I'm going to put a little soya sauce, almost half a tablespoon again. And now you can mix all the ingredients. Now you can see the curry is getting thicker and thicker. Now you can lower the flame and let the curry boil on the other flame. Meantime, we'll saute the veggies we need for the red Thai curry. Vegetables we are going to put in the Thai curry. So here I'm taking almost 1 big tablespoon of coconut oil. And in that I'm putting some veggies of ginger and a little ginger garlic paste, a garlic paste. And in this I'm putting all the veggies. Roughly I'm taking say on 1 cup of whole veggies. So this is carrots, broccoli, beans, zucchini and bell peppers. So we'll just toss it in this, and there's mushroom also. We don't want to lose the crunchiness of the vegetables, so I'm just tossing it a little bit. Now I'm going to put the tofu. Make sure you take some firm tofu so that your tofu doesn't melt when you put it in the red curry. Gently stir it. Now, since the veggies are getting little mixture. You can put a little of salt. Don't put too much because we already have taken the Thai curry which has salt in that. We'll use a little bit of black pepper. Toss little bit because we don't want to fry the veggies. We just want to toss it so that it gives a very good flavor, crunchy flavor. So as you can see, the mushroom is very well done. So is the zucchini and the beans. So now just cook it for 2 more minutes and then the veggies goes in the curry. Meantime, you can see the curry, it becomes thick. It has become very thick. All we need to do is we have to pour all the veggies loaded with vitamins in this. So just wait. As you can see guys, the gravy is pretty thick. Now we are going to put the veggies in this and continuously stir them. So let the tofu, the bell pepper, the broccoli and the zucchini get the flavor of the curry. Just cook it for 2 minutes on medium high so that all the veggies get the food flavor in this, the curry flavor in this. Meantime, what you can do is, I have these spring onions here which I'm getting ready for setting the plate, and I have this basil. I'm going to chop it a little bit and just put it right on top. There you go. Just another 1 minute and your thick red curry is all ready to serve. So now we are going to plate we have taken white jasmine rice, or you can take even basmati rice and noodles, and now I'm placing gently the curry loaded with veggies right here and some spring onions on top. So this is how it's going to be. You can even top it with some spring onions if you like. Here is another way to plate the red Thai curry with the rice. As I said before also, you can use rice, jasmine rice, basmati rice, or you can use the noodles. So I'm gently putting the curry inside, loaded with veggies. Make sure you have all the veggies which you sever for, like your carrots, your mushrooms, your tofu. There you go.